of music and daughter of Maharashtra and India, Asha Bhosle, she is no more. She was able to conquer as due to her magic in her voice and hard work, various different type of songs in various languages. She had a very powerful voice and understanding of music through which she was able to communicate in various languages like Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, Oriya, Nepali, Assamese. Also, she was very having devotional songs which will touch the heart of people who are believers in God. And along with that, she used to also equally powerful sing a song which is on dancing or having some fun. She was having very close ties and respect with Supremo Balasaheb Thackeray, and always she was winner of many rewards, many awards. Shiv Sena and Asha Bhosle also enjoyed a very close relationship. She was our, I would say, patron and our mentor and pride of Maharashtra and India. She had very cordial relations like a young brother to Eknathji Shinde, and she had spoken and praised Eknathji Shinde for his dedication to Shiv Sena when Eknath Shinde completed year 61. In this regard, as a leader of Shiv Sena and deputy chairperson of Legislative Council of Maharashtra and daughter of India, Maharashtra, I will like to pay tribute to Asha Bhosle. While giving a tribute, I do feel that there will not be any Asha anymore. She was a hope of all Indians.